Let's take a second to talk about the 50% rule. We got to remember that this is a rule of thumb. We are not going to use this to do our final underwriting. Number two, a lot of times, we're told by the realtor, hey, these numbers look a lot better than the 50% rule. However, when we start talking about the cash flow of the actual property, a lot of times 50% ends up being pretty close. Looking at these pro formas, the realtor will say, well, you're sitting here at like 65, 75 profit to expense ratio, and that's not necessarily true. We have to consider there's going to be CapEx, which is not included in the NOI, but it is going to affect your cash flow. We also have to remember we have insurance costs, and these insurance costs seem to be going up all the time. Another big number that I pay attention to is the tax costs. When we're looking at these tax costs, a lot of times they have not been updated by the realtor, and they've not been updated by the city or the state where this property is sitting in. It's definitely something to consider before you purchase this next property.